You have to figure out where you're at. Where is your heart at? Where is your mind at? If you think that your guy friend might like you, yet you have a boyfriend, then you've got to figure out, do I like my guy friend too, even though I have a boyfriend? So you've got to figure out where you stand. And if where you stand is, I think I kind of like my guy friend too, even though I have a boyfriend, then you've got to figure out which relationship you want to pursue and maintain. Because if you allow yourself to open up to your guy friend because you do like him too, while you're already in a relationship with a boyfriend, you're going to create a triangle there, and it's going to be a pain. It's going to be bad, and you could end up losing them both. Period. So, i.e., you're going to have to choose. But if you're in a position where you don't have those kind of feelings for your guy friend, then it's a good idea to let them know as quickly as possible so that their feelings don't keep getting stronger and stronger over time, and it becomes that much more difficult to get them to understand that you're with your boyfriend and that's who you want to be with.